Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening your bank app or secure website and signing in. Make sure you have your two-factor device and the target phone in hand. Once authenticated, navigate to Profile or Contact Settings and choose Phone Number or Security Contact. Tap Add or Edit, then type the full number with country code. This reduces errors. Make sure you select Mobile versus Landline where required, because SMS verification needs a mobile profile. Save to start verification. Once you add the number, the bank will offer a verification method. Choose SMS or voice depending on signal reliability. You will receive a short numeric code. Enter it exactly as shown and submit before the timer expires. After verification, enable two-factor authentication or text alerts for transactions and logins to tie security to that number. Make sure to review notification preferences so critical alerts use that contact. This prevents missed fraud notices. Finish by confirming the phone now appears in your account contacts and setting it as primary if required. Once done, trigger a harmless alert or sign out and back in to test. If the code fails, re-request verification and check for typos, signal issues, or carrier delays. Make sure your phone's SMS blocking or DND settings aren't stopping messages. If problems persist, contact bank support with your account ID and the timestamp of attempts so they can investigate and complete the link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.